Hi, I'm Saloni Malkani from the FBAI and I really want to learn how to make a nice Bengali fish. And Ananya is going to teach me that, right?
Hi Saloni, I'm so glad that you're here. I'm going to show you one iconic Bengali fish, Shorshe Maach.
Great, thank you.
Let's get started with the Shorshe Maach. What it needs is the fish. I have taken Rahu here. Rahu fish, this is very Bengali. For the marination of the fish, I will need Shorshe or mustard paste. How do I get this paste? Two kinds of mustard I'm using. One is the black mustard and the other one is yellow mustard. I have mixed half and half. I have soaked the mustard in water for 10 to 15 minutes and then made a paste out of it. This is how the paste looks like. Nothing is added. I start the marination by adding the mustard paste. Normally in Bengali fish preparations, we put turmeric and salt on the fish and fry the fish and then cook. But this is one easy recipe. It's entirely my recipe and my take on this dish. After mustard goes some turmeric powder, some salt to taste, green chillies. You can just break the tip so that it won't be very pungent, but it'll give the flavor of the green chillies. And I have some yogurt which I'm going to whisk it. And the quintessential mustard oil that gives the flavor. Quite a bit of it actually, because it's Shorshe Maach. Shorshe means mustard, so I have added mustard paste, mustard oil, and I'm making the dish. You can use your hands if you want, because the fish needs to be marinated really well in this sauce. When you have sudden guests coming, what you can do is make this marination, wrap it in a cling film, and you just need to microwave for 5 minutes before you can serve. So now the marination is well coated in the fish. You can keep it in the fridge starting from half an hour to overnight also. It will absorb all the flavor inside the fish and you have to just microwave it. So this marinated fish is good to go in the microwave for 5 minutes. It actually depends on the size of your fish and the number of fish you're cooking. So there are about 4 to 5 pieces, so 5 minutes. Wow, look at this. It's perfectly cooked. And I'm going to serve it now.
Which other fish would work well with this?
Banerjee works very well because it is very less bony.
Alright.
Banerjee works well. You do this with rawas.
Alright.
Rawas works very well. Even pomfret for that matter.
Okay.
Because pomfret doesn't have much flavor of its own. It takes the flavor of the marination or the spices you're cooking with. Fish which has flooded our Indian market is basa. People use it all the time in all restaurants nowadays.
Right.
One thing is a very convenient fish because there's no bones, it comes filleted. This kind of marination, you can add any fish, and if you are skeptical about using something too bony, it is cumbersome, isn't it?
Right.
So a fish fillet will also work perfectly.
Okay.